Hi, this tutorial is about how to hide the top bar in Ubuntu 20.04. Let's start. These are the set of instruction which we will be performing. Copy the command sudo apt genome shell extension auto hide top bar. Copy it. Open the terminal. Open the terminal. Press enter. Enter your password. Once it's done, it will show the current version. Now press Alt F2. A pop-up window will open. Enter R. Enter. So it will restart the top bar. It will restart it. Now go to menu and open the extension. Enable the hide top bar, and yes, automatically your top bar will be